Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murhari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration problems part 20. Okay, now explain question number 1. Integral cos 2x minus cos x by 1 minus cos x. Okay, we have cos 2x formula. 2 cos square x minus 1. Right? Integral cos 2x formula 2 cos square x minus 1 minus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Okay, we have these factors. So 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1 factors are 2 1 j 2. Okay, this will be 2 cos square x minus 2 cos x plus cos x minus 1. In first two terms, 2 cos x take out common. So remaining cos x minus 1. In this write as it is cos x minus 1. This whole 1 cos x minus 1 take out common. Cos x minus 1. So remaining value 2 cos x plus 1. Okay. Now integral 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1. This can be written as cos x minus 1 into 2 cos x plus 1. Cos x minus 1 into 2 cos x plus 1 dx. In denominator 1 minus 1 take out common. This will be cos x minus 1. Now 1 cos x minus 1 get cancelled. So in this minus 1 constant. So integral 2 cos x plus integral 1 dx. Okay. So minus of 2 constant integral cos x we get sin x 1 dx equal x. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral sin x power 6 plus cos x power 6 dx by sin square x into cos square x. First, we have to find sin x power 6 plus cos x power 6. Okay, sin x power 6 plus cos x to the power 6. Okay, this can be written as sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. By using a cube plus b cube, we have a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, where ab placed in right sin square x and cos square x. Therefore, a plus b. A plus b means sin square x plus cos square x into a square sin square x whole square sin to the power 4x b square, where b value cos square x, b square is cos square x whole to the power 2 cos power 4x minus ab minus sin square x into cos square x. This will be sin square x plus cos square x, this value 1. Again by using a square plus b square sin to the power 4x, this can be written as sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square minus sin square x into cos square x. Okay, we know that a square plus b square formula. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, where a placed in sin square x and b placed in cos square x right in this formula. Now a square plus b square formula. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now we get a plus b whole square sin square x plus cos square x whole square a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Already there minus sin square x cos square x right. Okay, now sin square x plus cos square x, this will be 1 minus 2 sin square x minus 2 sin square x cos square x minus sin square x cos square, this will be minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Okay, so this is sin x to the power 6 plus cos x to the power 6 value 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square. Okay, sin x power 6 plus cos x power 6, we got it 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. Okay, so what is required? integral sin x power 6 plus cos x power 6 dx, this whole divided by sin square x into cos square x. Now, so this value already we got it 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. This whole divided by sin square x into cos square x. Okay, by using separate division method, 1 by sin square x into cos square x dx minus 3 sin square x cos square x by right denominator. 3 sin square x cos square x upon sin square x into cos square x. In this sin square x cos square x get cancelled. Now I say that this numerator 1 place we should write sin square x plus cos square x. By denominator value sin square x into cos square x minus, so in this 3 constant 1 dx value x minus 3x. Okay. Now, so by separate division method, sin square x by right denominator, integral sin square x dx by sin square x into cos square x plus next second term cos square x dx by sin square x into cos square x minus 3x. In this one sin square x get cancelled as well as cos square x. 1 by cos square x, this is nothing but secant square x. 1 by sin square x, this is nothing but cosecant square x minus 3x. Integral secant square x, we got it tan x. Tan x. Integral cosecant square x minus cot x. Minus. So minus 3x plus c. So this is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral cos 2x by cos square x into sin square x. Okay. We know that cos 2x formula. Cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Now, cos 2x place and write cos square x minus sin square x upon cos square x into sin square x. Okay, this will be, so by using separate division method, cos square x by right denominator, cos square x dx by cos square x into sin square x. What is the next term? Minus sin square x. Sin square x dx by cos square x into sin square x. In this one sin square x get cancelled, one cos square x also. 1 by sin square x is nothing but cosecant square x. 1 by cos square x, this will be secant square x. Integral cosecant square x, we got it minus cot x. Integral secant square x tan x minus tan x. Minus is also there. So this is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x dx. How can solve this problem? Okay. So the relation between 3x, 2x, x. So let us take 3x minus x is equal to 2x. 3x minus x is equal to x, or x plus 2x is equal to 3x. Take any relation. Now applying tan on both sides. Applying tangent on both sides. So tan of 3x minus x is equal to tan 2x. Okay. We have tan a minus b formula. A minus b. So tan a minus tan b tan x by 1 plus tan 3x into tan x. So this will be tan 2x. Okay, by 1, let us do cross product. This will be tan 3x minus tan 2x into 1. So this will be tan 2x into 1 tan 2x plus tan 2x into tan 3x into tan x. So this will be tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x. Okay. So what is required? This value tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x. This tan 2x bring the left side. Therefore, tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. This will be equal to tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x. Okay. So tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x. We got it tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Therefore, we got tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x value. So what is target? Integral. This place in right, tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x dx. So now applying integration to each function, integral tan 3x dx minus what is second function? Tan 2x. Tan 2x dx minus tan x dx. Okay, this will be integral tan 3x. This will be log secant 3x. But derivative of 3x, 3 integration is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 times of integral tan 2x. This will be log secant 2x. But derivative of 2x, 2 integration is 1 by 2. Integral tan x. Integral tan x, this formula is log secant x. So this is answer. Okay, look at the next question. Integral dx by sin x power 1 by 2 into cos x power 7 by 2. Okay, in denominator we have sin x power 1 by 2 and cos x power 7 by 2. Okay. So I give one working rule. So what is working rule? In denominator we should multiply and divide. So what functions are given? Sin x power 1 by 2 and cos x power 7 by 2. Okay, in denominator we should multiply and divide cos x power 1 by 2, either cos x power 1 by 2 or sin x power 7 by 2. This is very important. So sin x power 1 by 2 given, sin x power 1 by 2 into cos x power 7 by 2 given in denominator. So we should multiply either cos x power 1 by 2 or sin x power 7 by 2. Okay. Now integral dx by sin x power 1 by 2 into cos x power 7 by 2. Okay. We should multiply, divide in denominator cos x power 1 by 2, cos x power 1 by 2. So now integral dx by sin x by cos x, this is tan x power 1 by 2 into cos x power 7 by 2 into cos x power 1 by 2. If bases equal, powers are added. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2. This is cos x power 4. Okay. Integral 1 by tan x power 1 by 2 into 1 by cos x power 4. 1 by cos x power 4 means this is secant square x into secant square x dx. Now this will be 1 secant square x, right formula, 1 plus tan square x into secant square x dx by tan x power 1 by 2. Is it clear? So let us take tan x is equal to t, then secant square x dx value dt. So let us take tan x equal to t. So now derivative on both sides. So differentiation of tan x, secant square x dx equal to dt. Therefore integral 1 plus t square. Okay, now explain. Integral 1 plus t square secant square x dx. So this will be dt. So 1 plus t square into dt by the denominator tan x power 1 by 2. This place in right t power 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by t power 1 by 2 dt, integral t square by t power 1 by 2 dt. So by using individual division, so 1 by root t, 1 by root t integration is 2 root t. So this will be, if bases equal, powers are subtraction, so 2 minus 1 by 2 dt. So 2 into root t, so this will be t power 2 minus 1 by 2, this will be 3 by 2. So 2 into root t, so this integration is t power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. In the place of t, we should write tan x. So 2 root tan x, so this value 5 by 2, 5 by 2 means 2 by 5 into tan x power 5 by 2 plus c. This is final answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is also same as question number 6. In denominator having sin to the power 3 by 2 and cos to the power 5 by 2. In denominator we have sin power 3 by 2 and cos power 5 by 2. Okay, so what is the working rule? We should multiply and divide either, so what function is given? Sin to the power 3 by 2. Okay, either cos to the power 3 by 2 or sin to the power 5 by 2. If sin function is given, sin x power 3 by 2 is given, so we should multiply and divide cos power 3 by 2. Either cos power 3 by 2 or sin power 5 by 2. In denominator, integral dx by sin x power 3 by 2 into cos x power 5 by 2. This is given. So we should multiply and divide cos x power 3 by 2, cos x power 3 by 2, cos x power 3 by 2. So this will be integral dx by sin by cos, this is tan x power 3 by 2, cos x power 5 by 2 into cos x power 3 by 2, this will be cos x power 8 by 2, cos x power 4, this will be. This is equal to 1 by cos x power 4, this is secant power 4x dx by, so tan x power 3 by 2, tan x power 3 by 2. Okay, now secant x power 4, this can be written as secant square x into secant square x dx by tan x power 3 by 2. So 1 secant square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x formula into secant square x dx by tan x power 3 by 2. Okay, this is going to be, so let us take tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t. This derivative secant square x dx equal to dt. Now this is going to be 1 plus t square secant square x dx. This value we got it dt by t power 3 by 2. Okay, by using separate division method, integral 1 by t to the power 3 by 2 plus t square by t power 3 by 2. Okay, this will be 1 by t to the power 3 by 2, this is nothing but t to the power minus 3 by 2 dt plus, if bases equal, powers are subtraction, integral t minus 2 minus 3 by 2 dt. So this will be t power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. This will be t power 4 by 4, 1 by 2, this is t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3. So in the place of t, we should write t for tan x. So tan x power 1 minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2, this value minus 1 by 2. But denominator value minus 1 by 2. So tan x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So this will be minus 2 2 tan x power 1 minus 1 by 2. So this is 2 by 3 into tan x power 3 by 2 plus 3. This is the final answer. Look at the next question. Integral dx by sin square x into cos x power 4. So what is the working rule? In denominator sin square x into cos power 4x is given. So working rule is we should multiply and divide cos square, either cos square x or sin to the power 4. Either cos square x or sin to the power 4x. Okay. Now integral dx by sin square x into cos power 4x. So one divide cos square x as well as multiply. So this will be sin square x by cos square x. This will be tan square x. Cos power 4 into cos square x, cos power 6x. Okay, this will be 1 by cos power 6x. This will be secant power 4x into secant square x dx by tan square x. So 1 by cos x power 6x. This will be secant power 4x. Secant power 4x into secant square x, secant power 6x this is. So this will be secant power 4x. This can be written as 1 plus tan square x whole square x into secant square x by tan square x. Okay. 1 by cos x power 6x. This can be written as secant power 6x. Secant power 4x into secant square x dx by tan x whole square. Integral secant power 4x. So secant power 4x can be written as 1 plus tan square x whole square. So 1 plus tan square x is secant square x whole square is secant power 4 into secant square x dx by tan x whole square. So let us take tan x is equal to t. Okay, this will be now derivative on both sides. Derivative of tan x secant square x dx equal to dt. Now this is 1 plus t square whole square secant square x dx. This value we got it dt by t square. So by using a plus b whole square formula, integral, what is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab, where a place in 1, b place in t square, right? A square plus b square plus 2ab by t square. Okay, by using individual division method, 1 by t square dt, t power 4 by t square and 2t square by t square dt. 1 t square get cancelled. Integral 1 by t square. This will be minus 1 by t. 1 t square get cancelled, t square dt. 2 into 1 dt value t. So minus 1 by, in the place of t, we should write t for tan x. Minus 1 by tan x. T square, integral t square is t cube by 3. 1 dt value t plus c. So this will be minus 1 by tan x. This is going to be minus cot x, where t place and right tan x. Tan x whole cube by 3 plus 2 into t place and right tan x. So this is answer. So okay, look at the next question. Integral dx by sin cube x into cos x power 5. Okay. Integral dx by sin cube x into cos power 5x. 1 cos cube x, divide and multiply. So integral dx by sin x by cos x, this is tan x whole cube, cos x power 5 into cos x power 3. This will be cos x power 8. Okay. Now 1 by cos x power 8. This can be written as secant power 6x into secant square x dx by tan x whole cube. 1 by cos power 8. 1 by cos power 8 is secant power 8. Secant power 8 written as secant power 6x into secant square x. So why? Because let us take tan x is equal to t. Now secant square dx is dt. This secant power 6x. This can be written as secant integral secant square x whole cube into secant square x dx by tan x whole cube. Now secant square x formula is 1 plus tan square x. Secant square x from trigonometry formula 1 plus tan square x whole cube into secant square x dx by tan x whole cube. So let us take tan x is equal to t. Now derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay. Integral 1 plus t square whole cube. The secant square x dx. This place we should write dt by t cube. Okay. So by using a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, 3a square b plus 3ab square. This whole divided by t cube. Okay. 1 by t cube by using separate division method, integral 1 by t cube plus 1 by t cube dt plus t power 6 by t cube, integral t power 6 by t cube dt plus 3t square by t cube, 3t square by t cube dt plus this is 3t power 4 by t cube, 3t power 4 by t cube dt. Okay. So this integration, integral t power minus 3 dt, 1 t cube get cancelled, t cube dt, 1 t square get cancelled, 1 t square. This will be 3 into 1 by t dt, 1 t cube get cancelled, t dt. Okay. So t power minus 3, integral t power minus 3, this will be minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. This integration t power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 into integral 1 by t. Okay, we have formula log t, log modulus of t. So this integration 3 into t square by 2 plus 3. So this will be minus 1 by 2, where t place and write tan x. T power minus 2 means 1 by t square, 1 by tan x whole square plus this will be 1 by 4 times of t for tan x. Tan x power 4, 3 into log of tan x, 3 by 2 times of t place and write tan x whole square. This is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral dx by sin to the power 1 by 2x into cos to the power 3 by 2x. Okay. Integral dx by sin power 1 by 2x into cos power 3 by 2x. For this type of problems, we should multiply, divide cos power 1 by 2x and cos power 1 by 2x. Cos power 1 by 2x, so divide and multiply in denominator. So this will be integral dx by this value sin by cos tan x power 1 by 2. Cos power 3 by 2 into cos power 1 by 2, this will be cos power 4 by 2, cos square x. This is cos power 4 by 2. If bases equal, powers are added. This will be cos square x. So 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x dx by tan x power 1 by 2. So let us take tan x is equal to t, then numerator will be dt. So let us take tan x equal to t. So this derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now integral secant square x dx, this will be dt by t power 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 means root t. Integral 1 by root t. Okay, this will be 2 root t. So 2 into, in the place of t, we should write tan x. So answer is 2 root tan x plus c. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.